Hi, I'm Oliver Bodemer. Today, Olga will show you why the old ways of running IT projects are holding you back.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to part 1 of the CogniPod Framework series. I'm Olga, and I'm thrilled to be your guide through this exciting new way of running IT projects. In the next few minutes, we're going to uncover why so many IT projects still struggle with delays, budget overruns, and frustrated teams. Here are the 3 big ideas on this slide. Traditional IT models create bottlenecks in fast-moving projects. ITIL, Matrix, and Spotify each have hidden weaknesses. CogniPod was designed to fix them all at once. Let me explain what this really means in practice. Most organizations today are still using frameworks that were built for a much slower, more predictable world. In today's fast-moving digital environment, those models quickly become bottlenecks instead of enablers. The good news is that CogniPod was specifically created to solve exactly these problems by taking the best parts of the old models and completely re-engineering them with modern AI and lean thinking. So by the end of this video, you'll clearly see why CogniPod is the transformative solution you've been waiting for. Now let's get into the specific weaknesses of the 3 most common models that organizations still rely on. ITIL offers strong governance, but feels rigid and bureaucratic. Matrix structures create dual reporting and endless conflicts. Spotify gives squad freedom, but drowns teams in communication overload. You've probably lived through at least one of these frustrations. With ITIL, you get excellent process discipline, but everything moves at a glacial pace because of all the mandatory gates and documentation. In a matrix organization, people end up reporting to 2 bosses at once, which creates conflicting priorities and political headaches that slow everything down. And the Spotify model sounds amazing with its autonomous squads, but in reality, teams spend more time in alignment meetings and chasing information across tribes and guilds than actually building features. These aren't small issues. They're the root cause of missed deadlines and burned-out teams in so many companies today. But here's where CogniPod becomes a game changer. Instead of just patching the old problems, it creates a completely new foundation. CogniPod combines the best of all 3 models. It adds 4 powerful lean principles for modern IT. Poka-Yoke, TPS, Kaizen, and Jidoka make it truly mistake-proof. CogniPod keeps the strong governance you loved from ITIL, the resource flexibility you got from matrix structures, and the squad autonomy from Spotify. But it removes their biggest pain points. On top of that, it layers in 4 proven lean principles that Toyota made famous. Poka-Yoke is all about mistake-proofing, so errors are prevented before they happen. TPS brings Toyota's legendary efficiency and just-in-time delivery. Kaizen embeds continuous improvement into every single process. And Jidoka adds smart automation that still keeps the human touch. Together, these 4 principles turn CogniPod into a framework that is both incredibly agile and rock-solid reliable. Let me now introduce you to the actual building blocks that make CogniPod work so beautifully in real projects. Networked pods replace fixed teams with dynamic groups. Extensible workflows adapt to any project phase. Unified knowledge platform keeps everyone perfectly aligned. Forget about permanent departments or rigid squad structures that never change. In CogniPod, you have small, cross-functional networked pods of just 5 to 8 people that form and dissolve automatically based on what the project actually needs right now. The extensible workflows are designed to stretch and adapt perfectly across ideation, development, and deployment phases. And the unified knowledge platform acts as a single source of truth. Everyone is always looking at the latest information in real time. This combination completely eliminates the silos, outdated docs, and alignment chaos that plague traditional models. Finally, let's talk about what ties the entire framework together and makes it truly future-proof. AI-driven coordination handles the heavy lifting automatically. Systems thinking connects every piece of the puzzle. The result is superior agility, scalability, and innovation. The AI-driven coordination engine uses machine learning to handle task allocation, predict bottlenecks, and keep pods perfectly synchronized, without endless meetings. Everything is built on systems thinking, so the pods, workflows, knowledge platform, and AI all work in perfect harmony instead of fighting each other. The beautiful outcome is superior agility that lets you respond to change instantly, true scalability that grows with your organization, and a level of innovation that simply isn't possible with the old models. That's the big picture view of why CogniPod exists and how it's fundamentally different. In Part 2, we'll dive deep into the heart of the framework, the networked pods and extensible workflows, so you can see exactly how they operate in practice.
In Part 2, Olga dives into the heart of CogniPod, the pods and workflows. See you there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and download the full framework PDF from the description. Thanks for watching.